Problem 23. The manager of a company planned to distribute a $50 bonus to each employee from the company fund. But the fund contained $5 less than what was needed. Instead, the manager gave each employee a $45 bonus and kept the remaining $95 in the company fund. The amount of money in the company fund before any bonuses were paid was what? The choices are $945, $950, $955, $990, and $995. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let n be the number of employees. Solve for n, then the fund. So the fund held $995, choice E.